In my past video I said that I will make non-returnant fluid video, and I decided to do what you ask me so often. Yes, the Oobleck pool. Each of these bags weighs 27 kilograms, almost 250 kilograms in total. At first I thought this would be enough. Well, I thought that the usual inflatable pool cannot cope with all this Oobleck game, so we decided to make a swimming pool. The speed is 2 meters per meter. A depth is half a meter. Who'll be able to calculate the volume of this pit? Then we filled the pool with water. The pool, by the way, turned out excellent. My brother immediately checked it. Then we started to add starch. Starch which I still thought would be enough. We spent a lot of time mixing it, and even the construction mixer was difficult to work with this. Just look. And yeah, it's not that easy to shoot a video on a hot summer day. And then we realized that we didn't have enough starch and bought another 100 kilograms only in small packages. You should have seen the face of the supermarket seller. Finally, it happened. How much effort and time we spent on this. At some moment, the non-returnant fluid began to work. Just look. And then the fun began. I'm sure that you have seen many times that someone is walking on a non-returnant fluid. But my brother is too lazy, so he decided to lie on it. Oh man, he's really doing that. Well, to be honest, we thought that he would drown in this Oobleck pool, but this was not possible. Since non-returnant fluid simply pushed him out, did not let him to sink completely. Who knows why? Tell me in the comments. Just perfect stuff. But my brother's too persistent. We even tried to help him, like this, though it did not work either. So, who will say why it didn't work? I'll show the best comment in my next video. Thumbs up for this Oobleck pool, and now we need to wash my brother. And that's it for today. Don't forget to like this video and make sure you subscribe to my channel. Leave your comments below and take care.